Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 CLS 450 4MATIC. This one's an iridium silver metallic. Underneath there's a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one does come with the lighting package, which is going to give you front and rear LED daytime running lights, adaptive high beam assist. Also included is the AMG line, which is going to give you 19-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, an AMG exterior and interior, black MB-Tex interior, sunroof, come around back, rear spoiler, CLS 450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all season and regular floor mats. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, heated and cooled seats, Burmeister sound system, power windows, illuminated door sills. Also includes the driver's assistance package. We've got our touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Also has smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Also included is the parking assistance package, which is going to give you a front and rear surround view backup camera with sensors. Dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, wireless charging, USB ports, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamics select for different driving patterns. This CLS has 8,310 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLS 450 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.